Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to present you a lesson on adjectives and adverbs. I mainly focus on grade 7 students. However, all the students, even grade 10 and 11 students can pay your attention to this lesson because this lesson is very important for you all. Okay, now I am going to give you an introduction about adjectives and adverbs. What are the differences of adjectives and adverbs? When you write adjectives and adverbs in sentences, there are some differences. Let's look at that. Yes. Now look at this. Here I have given you a simple introduction about adjectives and adverbs. Okay, now look at this. Adjectives, adverbs. Adjectives are used to describe nouns or pronouns. We use adjectives to describe nouns or pronouns. We use adverbs to describe action of sentences. Actions of the sentences. Actions means if we ask a question like how we do actions, how we go, how we write, how we eat. So we can describe actions in the sentences using adverbs. Okay, now have a look at these sentences. I have written some sentences here so that you can understand the difference very well. I am good. Here good, we use good to describe the pronoun I. We describe pronoun I using the word good. So good is an adjective. We can't use adverb here. We have to use an adjective. Here, she is dancing nicely. She is dancing. How? How? We have to describe the action here. The action of dancing. Nicely. So, nicely is an adverb because it is describing the action dancing. Then they are clever children. We use clever for describing children, for describing a noun. Since we are describing a noun, clever is an adjective. Last one, look at the last one. People fight strongly. People fight. How? We describe the action here. Strongly. So, strongly is an adverb. Now look at this adjective. In this sentence, no action is here. So, we can't use adverbs. So, this is an adjective. This is an adverb. Clever is an adjective. Strong is an adverb. I think you have got an idea about the difference of adjectives and adverbs. Next, look at I have some collection of adjectives and adverbs for you. Let's have a look at that. Since this is a grade 7 lesson, I am going to give you some Sinhala meanings also. Here, slow, slowly, high, highly, quick, quickly, unexpected, unexpectedly. We have added ly here. Here ly. Sad, sad, sadly. Kind, kindly. Neat, neatly. Beautiful, beautifully. Careful, carefully. Safe, safely. Warm, warmly. Sudden, suddenly. Easy, easily. Heavy, heavily. Bright, brightly. like that. Bright, දීප්තිමත්. Heavily, බරයි කියන එක. Suddenly, වහාම. Safely, ආරක්ෂිතව. Like that. Neatly, පිළිවෙලකට. Unexpectedly, බලාපොරොත්තු නොවූ විදිහට. Like that, I can give you some Sinhala meanings also. I have another collection of adjectives and adverbs for you. Let's have a look at that. Here, look at this also. Yes, fluent, fluently. Greedy, greedily. Fluent, චතුර ලෙස. Greedily, කෑදර ලෙස. Attentive, අවධානයෙන්. Attentively, අවධානාත්මකව. Sweet, sweetly. Brave, bravely. Loud, loudly. Tight, tightly. Willing, කැමති විදිහට. Willing, willingly. කැමැත්තෙන්. Strong, strongly. Like that. We have added ly to adjectives to make adverbs. There are some exceptions here. Hard, adjective is hard, adverb is hard. Fast, fast. Early, early. Late, late. Same words, but we use them in sentences differently. Good, well. Okay. Let's have some examples. Let's have some sentences. How to use those words differently. Yes, now look at this activity. Now look at this activity quickly. Slow, slowly. You have to use these two words to fill these blanks. Look at the first one. My computer is very. My computer is. In this sentence, no action is here. So, if there is no action, we can't use adverbs there. So, definitely, what should be the answer? My computer is very slow. We can't use slowly here. We can't use. We have to use slow. It is moving. එක චලනය වෙනවා. ගමන් කරනවා. It is moving. How? How it is moving? Slowly. I think you have understood the difference. Next, sad, sadly. The president speaks. The president speaks. How he speaks? How? Sadly. We can't use sad here. The president speaks how? Sadly. People in the world are. In this sentence, no action is here. So we have to use adjective. People in the world are sad. Neat, neatly. My sister writes notes. S should be here. My sister writes notes. My sister writes how? Sister writes notes neatly. My bedroom is, no action is here. So it should be my bedroom is neat. My sister writes, S should be here. My sister writes notes neatly. My bedroom is neat. Like that. Next one, easy, easily. Our English paper is, no action is here. No action is here. So, definitely you have to use an adjective. Our English paper is easy. We answered it. How we answered it? We answered it easily. Easily we answered it. Like that, you have to understand the difference. You must be able to write sentences with correct adjectives and adverbs. We have to use adjectives and adverbs correctly in sentences. We can't change the positions. Now I am going to give you an activity. For grade 7 students, I am going to give you this activity. Now look at this. I think you all can do this activity. very easily. Yes. Pupils book. Grade 7 pupils book. Unit 7 activity 6. Workbook. Grade 7 workbook. Unit 7 activity 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do all the activities using adverbs. Those lessons have very much focused on adverbs. So try to do all these activities and check your understanding about adjectives and adverbs. That's the end of the lesson. Have a good day.